Good morning, everyone. This is Lance, an equity analyst for ABCAP, and welcome to Daily Trading Notes. The Dow and the S&P tumbled, while Nasdaq eked out modest gains driven by large-cap tech stocks. The S&P flirted with its record high after the release of the unemployment claims. The Labor Department reported jobless claims of 963,000 last week, the first time it fell below 1 million since the pandemic began. However, the stalemate over a new stimulus package have kept bullish investors in check. Nasdaq was up 30 points, Dow Jones fell 80 points, while the S&P fell 7 points. For a market outlook, the PSEi broke the 6,000 resistance yesterday in the final minutes of trading, amid the release of MSCI rebalancing, the rally in U.S. markets, on top of vaccine hopes in Russia. Meanwhile, President Duterte is set to announce new quarantine measures as the MECQ lapses on August 18. Recent pronouncement shows that we may see a more relaxed quarantine, with businesses start to reopen again. This should be good for the economy and for the market as well, and this really shows a tough balancing act with health and economy on the line. In other news, A-REIT made its debut yesterday, so the stock tumbled 7.8% to close at 24.90 pesos per share. We believe that there may be certain factors to this. First, we think that since A-REIT was planned pre-COVID, assumptions were put into place that tenants of the units included in A-REIT were financially sound and stable. Note that tenants are BPOs, a service apartment, Ayala's banking unit, insurance companies, and healthcare and pharmaceuticals. However, when COVID hit, most of the companies shifted into a work-from-home setup and now puts into question renewing contracts for the succeeding years. Likewise, on the very day of listing, Pilipinas Shell announced the closure of its refinery in Batangas as cost to operate it exceeds the cost of just importing it straight out. Note that about 22% of A-REIT's GLA is derived from its biggest tenant, Shell Shared Services, which is located in Solaris 1. Now, this may not be directly related, but we think to a certain degree it may potentially risk operations of Shell Global as a whole. Despite the huge decline yesterday, at 24.90 pesos per share, yield shot up at 6.3%. This is quite attractive given that interest rates have significantly gone down the past few quarters. And that's it for our market outlook. Have a good day.